Hi everyone, it's Jillian, and today I'm going to be doing an outfit of the day video. So first, what I have up here is a gray Old Navy long sleeve, and then I took two different scarves and tied them together right here, then fold them together and put it over your neck. Then you have a loop here, and all you do, you just take this and pull it through. Now the reason I did this is because I kind of wanted to get that cool layering look with two different colored scarves. And there are different textures in that one. And this is kind of ribbed. So I like that about this. And then on the bottom I'm wearing capri pants from Target. And on my feet I'm wearing these Minnetonka moccasins, which are so comfortable. So that was my outfit of the day. I hope you like it, and I'll see you later.